Today's topic is Nystatin. Nystatin is an antifungal medication used to treat various fungal infections, primarily those caused by Candida species. Now, what actually Nystatin do? Nystatin is a polyene antifungal drug that binds to the ergosterol present in the cell membranes of the fungal organism. This binding actually disrupts the integrity of the fungal cell membrane, causing leakage of cellular component and ultimately leading to the death of the fungus. Nystatin is available in various forms, including oral suspensions, topical creams, ointments, and powders. The specific form used depends on the type and location of the fungal infection. Now let's talk about its uses. Nystatin eliminates candida or thrush in the mouth, intestines, vagina, and skin. These type of fungal infections can all be treated with this medication. When using Nystatin for oral thrush, the suspension is swished around the mouth and then swallowed. And for topical applications, the cream, ointment, or powder is applied to the affected skin area. Let's talk about some side effects of Nystatin. Nystatin is generally well tolerated, but some patients may experience skin irritation. However, patients taking Nystatin orally may have GI upset, like nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Moreover, before using Nystatin, inform your healthcare provider about any allergies or sensitivities to medications. Also, let them know about any other medication or medical conditions you have. Nystatin is usually safe for use during pregnancy and breastfeeding, but it is essential to discuss this with your doctor. Most importantly, let's look at the difference between statins and nystatins. Don't get confused with these medications because they also have statins in the name. HMG co-reductase inhibitors or statins are anti-hyperlipidemic medications. These all end in the suffix statins. Nystatin commonly get mistaken for this, but remember, nystatin is an antifungal medication. This is all about today's lecture. Thank you. Keep learning with MediWorld.